Hey guys, it's Hannah. Today I'm making my turkey and black bean enchiladas. If you want to learn how, keep watching. I'm starting by browning some ground turkey, and this ground turkey came in a tube, which I really didn't like, but I'm seasoning it with some cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Once it's brown, I'm gonna drain the ground turkey and add half a cup of the enchilada sauce and my black beans and mix it all together and stir it up until everything is evenly distributed. Next, I line a 12 by 9 baking pan with some parchment paper, and I'm pouring half a cup of enchilada sauce inside of the pan and just spreading it with a spoon. I definitely recommend parchment paper. It helps the enchiladas not stick to the pan and makes washing dishes that much easier. I'm using soft taco size tortillas, which are about 6 inches across, and just taking a little bit of the meat and beans and putting it down the middle, and then sprinkling some Mexican blend cheese on top, as much or as little as you like. And then I'm just taking it from one end and rolling it up as tight as I can, and I'm tucking in all the ingredients, making sure nobody gets left behind. Once I roll my enchiladas, I'm putting them in my baking pan with the seam facing down so they don't come unrolled, and I'm nestling them really close so I can fit as many in the pan as possible. Then I'm taking the rest of the enchilada sauce and pouring it on top and spreading it out with a spoon. Make sure there's no puddles of enchilada sauce in between the little cracks and gaps. And then I'm gonna add some of that Mexican blend cheese on top, the same cheese that's on the inside, and sprinkle as much or as little as you would like. Then I'm gonna put it in the oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, I'm sprinkling them with some fresh chopped cilantro. You can add olives, avocado, sour cream, or just eat them plain. This is such an easy and delicious meal to make, and it's almost kind of healthy if you don't go too crazy with the cheese. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.